Hello guys, welcome to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I will show you how to hard reset or format your TCL A1 from Simple Mobile. This tutorial would work on any similar devices from any other carrier as well. The two buttons you need to hard reset this device are located on the side, which are the power key and the volume up key. So you'll need to press these two buttons at the same time. Press and keep holding until the phone powers on. Then you want to release the power button. Keep holding the volume up key until the recovery screen comes up. Once that comes up, you will need to use the volume down key to navigate, and you want to scroll down to where it says wipe data factory reset. Then you want to press the power key, scroll down to yes, then it wiped everything off the phone. You want to do the wipe cache partition, press the power key down to yes, and press the power key again. Once you are done, you want to press the reboot. Now everything is wiped off and deleted off this device. So this concludes our tutorial for today. If you like it and you found it helpful to you, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more, and thank you guys for watching.